Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS Dealer and Educator. I have a good, easy beginner sashing design to show you today. I call it Spaghetti Swirls. You really can't go wrong with this one. You start with a loop, you keep making circles, crossing over where you came till it reaches the size you want, and then travel on in a loop and cross over yourself till you get the size circle you're looking for, and then head down in a loop. And you cross over yourself. So don't be afraid to cross over yourself. It can actually be perfectly acceptable and a lovely design element. I'm going to go one more and I'll head on down. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, you can visit your local dealer or APQS store, or visit us online at apqs.com. Be sure to like our YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook. We'd love to see what you're working on.